going into Lowe's to get some shelves for the walk-in closet. Found it. You know, even like some of those drawers would be really cute, but those are expensive, I think. We need something like this. Not like straight up, but like from side to side. I think that's the height of it. I went up there.
Well, it's 12 feet.
12 feet? Yeah, we need to measure and see how tall it is. Or I mean how wide it is. But those like aren't very pretty. And then we need some like little corner shelves like that. Those drawers are so cute. You can like put your like hats and stuff in there and like just have a pull out drawer for your stuff, or even like flip-flops or whatever. Some like cute little baskets. Okay, right here. These are what we need. Yeah, and they're not that expensive actually. Like they're not that bad. And then we can like screw them. Wait, how do you screw those in? Those look like they're just like the ones that like extend out to the sides and like just hold in there. And then after we put up the rods, we can get like one of these shelves for the top of the closet to have like a shelf up there.
This one has an installation pack.
Huh?
This one has
the screws on it?
Yeah, the ends and the screws.
Yeah, that's what we need right there. How much are those? That's a short one though. We need long.
Yeah.
We need like probably like we could either do like two short ones or a long one. Yeah. That's a pack of 2, ain't it?
Yeah,
oh, those are heavy. Heavy duty. I think we should get this pack of 2 and like get some of these holders, and like if it doesn't, of course it's not going to go all the way across, but we can do like 2 separate areas to like put clothes on, you know, like it can end, and like each one can start at the wall and then end at the middle with one of those. Wouldn't that work?
Yeah.
And then we could just get these to go with the white ones. Looking for some screws. We got these poles, and we're gonna mount them on the wall tomorrow, or on the things that Seth is carrying around, the little brackets, and we're gonna make the little hangers from those, and then I think we're gonna do like a shelf on the side too. Seth went to go get my card because I left it in the car, so I'm holding all of this stuff that we're getting, and I'm going to look at the cleaning supplies. These 2 Christmas scents that they have are so good. By the way, I love the peppermint. The Iowa pine smells really good too, but I'm more of like a peppermint girl. They don't have the dish soap though today, I don't think. We got our supplies. How do you feel? It's raining. You feel good? So we got our poles, we got our holders, and then we got some screws, and then we're gonna start working on it tomorrow when I get off work. So this is probably gonna be a 2-part vlog. I don't know if it'll all be finished in this one vlog, but we are gonna start on it tomorrow, and then we're gonna come back and get the board to go on top, and maybe like the shelves on the side. We don't know exactly how we're gonna do it yet. We're gonna just kind of see how it plays out and go from there. So now we're gonna go eat. Got a cute little date. Looks so good. So I got everything cleared out of here for the most part. So the closet's gonna be on this side over here. So we're right now marking where the little shelves or the bars, what do you call those? The hanger poles are gonna be. So over here, this is what it's looking like right now. So yeah, got my cleaning supplies over here on this shelf. And then of course the washer and dryer, kind of scooted it over just a little bit. And then this whole side over here is gonna be the closet part. So right now we're finding out where the beams are. Because apparently you have to screw your screw into beams or it won't hold. I learned that today. So yeah, we're trying to find where the beams are so that we can know where to screw the screws at. You look so professional with your pencil. So we are checking with the nail, and then we're gonna use the screw and screw in the little holder things. And we're using this shirt to kind of see like how long the shirts are gonna be. And then the plan is to do a row on the bottom, a row on the top, and then shoes on the top shelf, because it's going to be really close to the ceiling, so there's not going to be enough room for like baskets. But hopefully I'm going to do like a shelf over here if we can, and put like baskets on the shelf there. So we're making some progress. We got these two, and we've had a few technical difficulties, but we're getting through it. So we have Seth in here still working on the closet, and then I'm making some spaghetti in here. So I have the sauce and hamburger meat here, and then I'm boiling some water for the noodles. So we usually like the thin spaghetti, so we're having spaghetti tonight. So we have dinner in here, and it's just about ready. I'm waiting on the sauce. The noodles are done, and then we have grilled cheese, and Seth has made so much progress in here. It looks so good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hold on.
So this is what it looks like on the top, and then the bottom one isn't going to go all the way across, and there's going to be shelves over here. What?
Where's your other pole at?
So it is all finished for now, except for the shelves over here and the shelf on top that I'm going to put shoes on. But it's so cute. I love it. These are the books that Seth was standing on. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a color themed closet, like color coded. So I'm starting with black and then gray, and then I'll probably do like white, and then move on to like the more colorful things. But I'm thinking the black and these colors are gonna take up most of it, and then the bottom will be pants probably. So it's coming along in here. So I think I'm gonna do color coded, and then like I'm gonna separate it with between tank tops, t-shirts, and then like long sleeves and sweatshirts, and then probably on the far end coats, and then the bottom is gonna be pants, and I'm not exactly sure what else, but this is what I have so far. What do you think? Does it look good? And then I want to put one of those full body mirrors over here. So we need to go get another one. So I think I'm getting a pretty good start. I moved this white shelf in here, and then this top one has like socks and bras, and then that one has like panties and stuff. And then so far I have that one with like house shoes, hats, and my gloves. And that one has like fuzzy pajama pants, and then I have 3 pairs of heels here, and then I tried to like color coordinate the top. So that's what that looks like. And then my pants are down here, and I'm gonna put some like light jackets here. And then I moved this mirror in here. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but I'm wanting to get another one of those to keep one in the living room and then one in here. So that's what it looks like so far. Literally still have so much stuff to put in here. But luckily a lot of it's like t-shirts and stuff, so I may fold those up and put them down there. I may get rid of a bunch of stuff, but I still have a lot of stuff to hang up. So hoping it all goes well.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you